Alright, so here is a newer Ruud Achiever heat pump that replaced one of these Yorks. It's fairly new, and this actually does have a suction accumulator, it looks like. Or maybe that's a dryer, I don't know. I've never seen something like that before. It's a 2023 5-ton. It's quite shaky. It's working good. And here are these York heat pumps. There's a Millennium Scroll, it looks like. So yeah, this replaced one of them. I feel like there's this one running. So anyways, figured I'd snap a quick video of this new Ruud heat pump. So thanks for watching. And real quick, this one just started up. Rattly fan motor. Pretty recent install.